Hello everyone, this is Dress Me Mom TV, and today I'm going to teach you how to put this presser foot into our portable sewing machine. So it's very simple. Our machine, first we're going to lift the foot, that one, we have a lifter, then it will go up, and then as you can see, every foot there is a bar. That bar line is the one we're going to connect on that bottom part of our machine, and then you just put down the lifter. Just put down, up and down, then you will see. It's just very simple and easy as that one. So I'll show you at the back side. Okay, we will turn it, okay, at the back side so that you can see easily. Okay, your machine, that we'll call, we call it our lifter. You should just put it up and down so that your foot will go up and down. And then how to remove that one, you will see. I will press the back side, that one. See, okay, and very easy, your foot will be removed. If you want to change some to the other kind of presser foot, so now I put for the zipper foot. So there is also a bar line for that one, and then just put down, okay, exact to that bar line, and then you see, very simple. And also they have it's included also with that one, the button hole. Button hole, that's for the buttons, for the button hole. If you want to put the stitches for the button hole, it's also the same. There is also a bar line, and just put it down. Yes, okay, and that's all. It's very, very simple to put those, and also very easy to remove. You just press at the back, and then it will be automatically removed. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. And thank you for your continuous watching my video. I hope I can you will learn more, and I'll try to do more videos and for our sewing. Thank you so much, and God bless you.